Welcome to today's tutorial of establishing a professional morning skincare routine. Taking care of your skin is essential for a healthy and glowing complexion. First, start by cleansing your face with a gentle facial cleanser suitable for your skin type. This will help you remove any impurities and prepare your skin for the next step. Next, apply a toner to help balance your skin's pH level and tighten your pores. This step is crucial for maintaining skin health and preventing breakouts. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer that contains SPF to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Sunscreen is a vital component of any skincare routine to prevent premature aging and skin damage. Don't forget to apply an eye cream to hydrate and protect the delicate skin around your eyes. This will help reduce the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Lastly, finish off your morning routine with a hydrating lip balm to keep your lips soft and moisturized throughout the day. And remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. By following the steps daily, you can achieve healthy, radiant skin. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Morning skincare routine. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.